Hey everyone, welcome to today's Baat. My name is Rohit Singre. Again, Nifty has seen a robust move in a week gone by. It managed to close the week with gains of near more than 3%, and we have been seeing a fantastic move in the Nifty week gone by. So I think what one should do going forward. Last week I said that there is a cup and handle pattern has formed and which has given a breakout too, which means that we may see a northward move, and we have been witnessed that. So I think going forward the cup and handle pattern has worked well, and now going forward what one should do that we have been seeing a strict move, one can say. So now I think we need to shift to the hourly chart to look for supports and the resistance are pretty clear right now. 17,400, 17,500 would be the resistance, because as such the writing going on that particular strike. So I think 17,400, 500 will be the hurdle on the higher side. Now supports that one need to look for here. 17,200 will be a first support for Nifty, followed by this one 17,050, somewhere around 17,050, 17,040 odd levels. So I think going forward 17,200, 17,050 will be a fantastic support. Dips will be suggested around this level, but again, if someone is holding long in the Nifty, yes, definitely they can hold so, with keeping stop loss below 17,200 on immediate basis. And let's say if we see a very good fall, so 17,050, 17,100 will be the level where one can start accumulating again. So I think in short, those who are holding longs, they can keep their trailing stop loss 17,200. Okay, if this stop loss will hit, will book the profit. Or let's say if this stop loss manage to saved, then we may hit towards 17,400, 17,500 odd levels on the higher side. So this is the analysis for Nifty. Now let's quickly look at the Nifty Bank too. If you look at the Nifty Bank, last week I said it is trading in the ascending channel, and it has given a breakout. It has given a breakout. When we talk about the ascending channel breakout, these breakout doesn't matter so much to us, because as such there is no fantastic risk reward ratio lies here. But yes, any dip near lower band, it gives a fantastic risk reward ratio. So as such, yes, it is good. Technically, it is good. Breakout is always good technically. So I think breakout has been happened. It has moved out of its ascending channel, so which is again a positive sign. But again, one need to keep in mind that one need to work with the level first. 36,400, 36,400 will be a first support, and overall support is somewhere around 36,000 zone. So in nutshell, those who are holding longs, definitely they can hold so, with keeping trailing stop loss below 36,400. And for the positional perspective, 36,000 will be your final stop loss. These are the two strong support for the Nifty Bank. Now hurdle 37,100, 37,100 will be a first hurdle on the higher side, followed by 37,500, 37,100, 37,500. These are the hurdle zone for Nifty Bank on the higher side, and 36,400, 36,000 will be a fantastic support for the Nifty Bank going forward. So these are the supports and resistance for the Nifty and Nifty Bank. Now let's look at the sector. Sector analysis, again, if you look at Nifty PSC, Nifty Energy, these are the stock, these are the sector, these are the sector has seen a very good traction last week. So I think going forward also any dips will be suggested. Nifty PSC, Nifty Energy are both having these same stocks, majorly. Now let's look at the sector stock specific action. ONGC, in the particular space I'm talking about, ONGC has seen a good traction. Let me remove the previous join. It was having a strong hurdle. The trend was down, lower low, lower highs, and first time it got decisively broke, and it retested to. And look at the volume activity. So I think going forward, ONGC will be on radar until unless it is holding above 118. The structure is positive, and we may hit towards 130 odd levels on the higher side. Second stocks which is on my radar is from uh, IOC. Okay, again the same structure has been seen. Look at the breakout. This was the breakout, retested, again moving up. Again on the immediate basis, 108, 108 is fantastic support. Holding above 108, we may head towards 116 on the immediate basis, 125 on the overall basis. The another stocks is CONCOR. Just let me put the chart. Container Corp. Again, if you can see, yes, the breakout has been seen, both falling trend line, horizontal trend line, all the breakout has been seen. So I think the immediate supports lies somewhere in between 680 to 710. So these are the demand zone for Concor. Any dips will be suggested. Those who are holding Concor, definitely they can hold. So with keeping trailing stop loss below 700, and if let's say these levels are held, then we are good to go towards 760, 800 odd levels in near term. The another sector which is on my radar is Nifty Auto. Again, some sort of one can say early sign of reversal has been seen, in Nifty Auto. There would be a divergences. Okay, there is a divergence in Nifty Auto. There is small breakout has been seen, like this falling trend line breakout has been seen. So I think these are the one can say the early sign of reversal. So I think Nifty Auto, that one need to keep a radar on for the coming week and for the short term as well. So now let's look at the stock specific action in the auto particularly. The first stocks which is on my radar is the Hero Motocorp. Let me show the chart. Now if you can see in here, it has seen a breakout from its falling trend line, and there is a divergence to look at the divergence. This is called the positive divergences. Okay, so positive divergence is there. A strong breakout from falling trend line is there, and look at the volume activity. A good volume activity has been seen at the time of breakout, which means that let's say if 2700 and the overall basis 2600, the final stop loss will be 2600. Those who are holding, definitely they can keep a trailing stop loss of 2700. So if these levels are held, we are good to go towards on the immediate basis 285060 level, which is the immediate hurdle, and 2930, and the overall would be 3000 levels. So I think Hero Motocorp will be the preferred pick in the auto space. If auto Nifty Auto worked well, yes, Hero Moto is going to outperform the Nifty Auto. The another space, another stocks which is on my radar is the Maruti. Again, the same structure has been witnessed out here. Maruti has seen a falling trend line breakout. Just yes. So this is the breakout, and it has given a breakout, and volume activity also increasing. Along with the increasing price. So I think Maruti would be the another stock that one can keep a radar on in the auto space. And let's look at the level. 6700 will be the immediate support for the Maruti, followed by 6600. And if let's say if these levels are held, then we may head towards 7200, 7600 odd levels in near to short term. The another stocks in the same space would be Aisha. Again, Aisha has been seen a neat and clean breakout. If you look at here, so yeah, so this was a neat and clean, a strong hurdle, acted strong hurdle previously, and it got decisively broke. What do you mean by decisively broke? Look at the volume activity. This is mean by decisively broke. So I think Aisha has seen a good traction. Now going forward, until unless it is holding about 2700 on positional basis, the structure is positive. And if, like I said, if it managed to hold above this level, then we are good to go towards 3000 odd levels. So Nifty PSC, Nifty Auto, these are these two space we have discussed. Now let's look at the stock specific action. The first stocks which is on my radar is Pfizer. Now let me put this. Yes, look at the breakout. Falling trend line breakout has been seen, and look at the volume activity. Every candle is going up along with the increasing volume, which means that on every high people are eager to buy. Okay, so I think Pfizer will be a preferred one. Any dip, again, dips will be suggested, not at this level, because a risk reward ratio otherwise will not be in favor. So 5900 will be the level that one should look for. 5900 will be the level that one can keep entering, and the stop loss for the particular trade would be 5700. Those who are holding Pfizer, they can keep their immediate trailing stop loss at 5900. And let's say if it managed to save 5900, then we are good to go towards 6300, 6500 odd levels on the higher side. The another stock which will be on my radar is Canfin. Let me show the chart first. So if you can see, Canfin has seen multiple breakout, you can say. The first one is the horizontal one, and it has given the triangle breakout too. If you can draw on from here to, so this is the triangle. If you ask, so triangle breakout too is happened here. Just a minute. These are the two breakout has been seen. Now the support zone. 560, 550 will be a fantastic support zone for Canfin. If it managed to hold above 560, 550, then we are good to go towards 620, 650 odd levels on the higher side in the Canfin. And your, like I said, your stop loss would be 550 on closing basis. So I think Pfizer, Canfin, and the another stocks I wanted to discuss out here is Emphasis. Again, small breakout has been seen. If you look at on the 2 hour chart, it managed to cross is a good hurdle zone which acted one, two, three times. We have been seen a profit booking, and it managed to cross that level. This is value. So I think can emphasis would be the another stock that one can keep a radar on. It managed to cross about 2940350. So I think the stop loss. For the particular stock would be 2800, and let's say if it managed to hold about 2800, 3050, 3100 are the level that one can keep a rather on the higher side. The last stock I wanted to discuss out here is the Linde industry. Let me show the chart first. Now look at the Linde industry. The flag formation was there and flag breakout has been seen. Strong move previously. Look at the volume, rising northward rising volume. Along with the after having a next green candle, there is a one more volume breakout. So I think original pick first of all. This because stop losses are pretty deep. So 2250. 2250 are is the stop loss for Linde Industry. Those who are holding Linde Industry, definitely they can hold. So with the same stop loss of 2250, and let's say if these levels are held 2250, then we are good to go towards 2800, 3000 odd levels in the near term. So I think these are the stocks, these are the sector that I wanted to discuss with you all. And we have discussed Nifty, Nifty Bank, Nifty PSC, Nifty Auto. Then we have discussed stocks like Canfin, Pfizer, Emphasis, Linde. So I think these are the stocks one can keep a radar on for the coming week, and also try to work on the levels which are shared on the index particularly. So thank you so much for watching this. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.